In a quiet desert, a traveler named Yusuf walks alone beneath the sky. Suddenly, he hears a mysterious voice from the clouds. Water the garden of a certain man. The cloud begins to move across the sky, and Yusuf follows it with wonder. Soon, rain falls onto the dark stones of the desert, forming a small stream. Curious, Yusuf follows the flowing water until it leads him to a hidden garden. There, a humble farmer gently guides the water to his trees. When Yusuf asks his name, it is the same name spoken by the cloud.
Brother, what is your name?
My name is Salim.
That's strange. I heard your name spoken in the clouds.
In the clouds? Subhanallah.
Surprised, Yusuf asks what good deed brought such a blessing. The farmer simply smiles. I divide my harvest into 3 parts, one for the poor, one for my family, and one to grow the garden again.
When my garden produces fruit, I divide it into 3 parts. One part I give to the poor and those in need. One part my family and I live on. And the last part I return to the garden.